You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Breakdown Automotive. Today we're going to be talking about how much it cost to own this Range Rover for the past year, and honestly it might surprise you once we finally get into the nitty-gritty details of it. So I bought the car in October 2016 for $23,980. At the time it had 97,000 miles on it, and it was a fair deal at the time based on what else was selling. So my payment is right around $380, and over the course of the year that would be $4,560. Another point of owning the Range Rover is the gas and insurance, which is pretty much the same with every car. However, for gas, I spend about $200 a month. This thing is thirsty, and it has a 28-gallon tank, averaging about 18 mpg, which isn't too bad. Along with that, though, the ridiculous part of it is the insurance price for this car right here, because I pay about $200 a month for insurance. That works out to about $4,800 a year in gas and insurance. So the total so far for the ownership of the Range Rover is $9,360 for 1 year of insurance with the car payment, gas, and insurance. So now let's jump into everybody's favorite part of Land Rover ownership, which is maintenance and repairs. For some reason, everyone thinks that owning these cars, you end up spending a ridiculous amount in maintenance and repairs. My first repair that I needed was the front lower control arms, and that came into a total of $860. Later, the engine decided it was going to start misfiring on cylinders 2, 6, and 8, which was, at the time, they thought the spark plugs, and that was a $500 repair. Turns out it wasn't the spark plugs that needed to be replaced, but since it was over 100,000 miles, they needed to be done anyway, so they went ahead and replaced the fuel injectors, which came out to $2,600. Nothing too crazy, but at the same time, that was my first unexpected maintenance bill that I got, and my first breakdown in the Range Rover. So I've categorized some miscellaneous maintenance such as tire rotation, brakes, brake fluid, and just general stuff that you have to do to every car. So in the miscellaneous category, we have spent $1,540 in tire rotations, oil changes, brake fluid, simple stuff like that. Nothing that was unexpected, but still stuff that had to be done to keep the car going at the time. My next big expense with the Range Rover is going to be tires, which are needed this week, and that's going to be an additional $1,100 to $1,200. I've not included that in this total that I'm about to give you. So overall, in the last year, I've paid almost $15,000 to have my Range Rover between the gas and insurance, the car payment, and all of the repairs that I've had to do for the car. Truthfully though, $1,250 a month to own what is still my dream car is not too bad. I absolutely love the L322 generation Range Rover. It's my favorite car to date. I remember when it came out, I would dream about this car. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're interested in more automotive content like this. We have more videos coming up with some Jaguars, some more BMWs, and some more Land Rovers, as well as many other cars. So if you have any suggestions of cars we should film with and work with, go ahead and leave those down in the comments below. And until next time, guys, thanks for watching.
Strong enough.